Pfizer wants federal authorization for a third dose of the company's COVID vaccine. Representatives recently met with U.S. health officials to talk about a possible booster shot. 9 Your Side's Caroline Boyer is here in the studio. And Caroline, what was decided?
Courtney, Pfizer officials think we will need a booster within the next year. But the FDA says there isn't enough evidence to support a third dose at this time. Health experts in the East agree another shot is not necessary just yet.
With most folks, if you give them their primary course of a vaccine, they're probably immune for 2 to 5 years, perhaps longer. So saying that a booster is needed already might be premature.
It's a disagreement between Pfizer and the FDA. The vaccine company wants authorization for a booster shot, and the federal agency says there isn't enough information to warrant that.
Almost all the patients that we're seeing in the hospital now have not had the vaccine.
Dr. Paul Cook is the infectious diseases chief at ECU's Brody School of Medicine. He says there is a small group who will likely need a COVID booster eventually.
There probably is some evidence that a booster shot is a reasonable thing and probably a good thing to give to immunosuppressed patients.
But for everyone else,
it's probably not necessary, at least not right now.
Less than 50% of North Carolinians are fully vaccinated. About 48% of Americans are fully vaccinated. World Health Organization leaders are criticizing vaccine companies for worrying about booster shots, while some countries don't have an adequate vaccine supply.
Instead of Moderna and Pfizer prioritizing the supply of vaccines as boosters to countries whose populations have relatively high coverage, we need them to go all out to channel supply to COVAX, the Africa Vaccine Acquisition Task Team, and low and middle income countries which have very low vaccine coverage.
Doctors in the East say if a third shot is recommended, they'll make it available. Right now, though, they're just focusing on reaching people who haven't even gotten one dose yet. In studio, Caroline Boyer, 9 on your side.
Caroline, thank you.